Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises a lot of sparkle and substance, the Blue Diamond 14-piece Induction Nonstick Cookware Set. This isn't just any cookware, it boasts diamond infusion, PFAS-free ceramic non-stick, and a rather striking gold and black aesthetic. We've put it through its paces, and we're ready to give you the full rundown. Let's start with what you get in the box, because 14 pieces is a generous amount. This set includes 2 saucepans, a stockpot, 2 frypans, and a sauté pan, all with their respective lids. But it doesn't stop there. You also receive a stainless steel steamer insert and 3 nylon utensils. This comprehensive collection is clearly designed to equip you for a wide range of cooking tasks, from boiling pasta to searing steaks and steaming delicate vegetables. Now, the headline feature here is the diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating. Blue Diamond claims this makes the surface 60% tougher and 2x longer lasting than traditional non-stick. This is a big claim, and if it holds true, it addresses one of the biggest frustrations with non-stick cookware, its tendency to scratch and degrade over time. The fact that it's also metal utensil safe is a significant advantage. For many of us, reaching for a metal spatula is second nature, and the idea of not having to worry about damaging your pans is very appealing. Another crucial aspect for many home cooks is healthy cooking. This set is PFAS-free, which means you're not exposed to potentially harmful chemicals when you cook. The ceramic non-stick is advertised as toxin-free, providing peace of mind while you prepare meals for yourself and your family. The construction of the pans themselves is also worth noting. The aluminum body is said to be 50% more durable, preventing breaking, degrading, or chipping. This suggests a robust build quality that can withstand the rigors of daily use. Beyond durability and health, the aesthetics of this set are quite distinctive. The gold tone handles are a bold design choice, finished with a wear and corrosion-resistant ceramic coating. They add a touch of elegance to the otherwise sleek black exterior. The tempered glass lids are also a nice touch, allowing you to monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid, which helps retain heat and moisture. Versatility is key in any kitchen, and this Blue Diamond set aims to deliver. It's oven and broiler safe up to a very respectable 600 degrees Fahrenheit, opening up possibilities for finishing dishes or cooking recipes that require high heat. The induction-ready base means it's compatible with all stovetops, including induction, which is a great benefit for those with modern kitchens. Cleanup is often the least favorite part of cooking, but this set promises to make it easier. It's described as 90% more dishwasher resilient, and generally, messes are said to wipe clean with ease. While handwashing is always recommended for maximizing the lifespan of non-stick cookware, the dishwasher-safe claim is a significant convenience factor for busy households. So, let's break down the pros and cons based on what we've seen and what Blue Diamond is promising. On the positive side, the 14-piece set offers excellent value and coverage for most kitchen needs. The diamond-infused non-stick, if it lives up to its claims of durability and metal utensil safety, is a game-changer. The PFAS-free aspect is a huge win for health-conscious consumers. The oven and broiler safety, along with induction compatibility, make this a very versatile set. The stylish design with gold accents will appeal to those looking for cookware that looks as good as it performs. However, there are always considerations. While the cookware is described as durable, the long-term performance of any non-stick coating, even with diamond infusion, can vary. We'll have to see how it holds up after months or even years of use. The gold handles, while stylish, might not be to everyone's taste, and their long-term wear and tear will be something to monitor. And while dishwasher safe is convenient, as with most non-stick cookware, handwashing is generally the best way to preserve its integrity. In conclusion, the Blue Diamond 14-piece Induction Non-Stick Cookware set presents a compelling package. It addresses key concerns like durability, health, and versatility with features like diamond infusion, PFAS-free coating, and high heat tolerance. The inclusion of a steamer and utensils in this large set adds to its overall value. If you're in the market for a comprehensive, modern, and potentially long-lasting non-stick cookware set, this Blue Diamond offering is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.